Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 5th of July 2023. Last week we went short copper, and as you can see here on this daily financial bet chart, we did so at 8,470 with a stop loss above the June high at 8,712. Since then, the price of copper has come off as expected, and it then bounced back but failed in the resistance area made up of the March and late April high lows, and also where the 55 and the 200-day simply moving average here in orange and red come in. So we can now move our stop loss back to break even. So we have a free trade on. So basically you move your stop down to where you got in our case, 8,470. And our downside target at 8,000 is still intact, basically. So that one is still working out quite well. Moving on to today's Trading the Trend, what I would like to do, if I can make this chart more visible here, is that we've been trading in a sideways trading range over the last 2 or 3 months, and every time we sort of go up, we seem to fail and come down again. So I expect this to happen once more in the days ahead with regards to natural gas, and therefore would like to go short at around 277 with a stop loss above the June high at 293.10 and a downside target around 220. So today's Trading the Trend is to go short natural gas at 277 with a stop loss at 293.10 and a downside target at 220.